Hi, I'm here with Alex Rabinovich from AVX, and what you see behind us is a bandpass filter characteristic. It's super narrow, and it also comes in a very small package. Alex, tell us a little bit about what we see back here. What's going on?
What you see on the screen behind us is a frequency response of a bandpass filter manufactured using AVX proprietary thin film operations process. This bandpass filter is implemented using one of our 0805 case-sized filter technologies, specifically aimed for miniaturization and high performance at the same time. There's nothing like this on the market at this time, having a bandpass filter with this type of characteristic and this performance. This is a relatively new product. We just introduced it about a year or so ago, now available for production. Our package is 0805, which is probably the smallest package that you can find on the market. There are some 0603 packages available, but this package delivers optimum performance without sacrificing the performance. So what you see is a high-performance bandpass filter, unlike what you can find from our competitors.
What's a typical application for that?
Typical applications vary from test instrumentation, military applications, consumer goods, radio frequency modems, and similar applications where the high-performance filters are required.
And before this product was available, what did you have to use? What are the advantages?
Typically, designers had to resort to making the filter networks themselves using discrete elements, such as capacitors and inductors, and we're very happy to sell those capacitors and inductors to the engineering companies that would build them. However, the amount of board space consumed, the variability of the placement of a component on the PC board resulted in a filter performance that unlike what you see behind us.
So Alex, where can people get more information about this?
For additional information, please visit avx.com or contact your local sales representative in your immediate area. We are worldwide.
Thank you.
You're welcome.